So every color conveys an emotion, and it is important that you understand this to make sense to your clients and to your brand's target audience. So, color gives brands personality, and color also persuades people to do something. That is why a lot of call to action button oops, yeah, here we go. So that is why a lot of call to action buttons has colors. And mind you, they create A/B testing for this. Now, A/B testing is comparing two similar content with a minor tweak to see which gets more attention, more clicks, more result. So in websites, you'll see a lot of these call to action buttons, but what most people don't know is that during A/B testing, the website has just one message but will show you in different occasions different colors of buttons to test which you'd rather click. So here's an example on a green versus red button in a website. So as you can see, there's the same content, same site, same pictures. The only difference is the color of the Get Started Now button. So there's the green one and the red one. So once they get the results, they will use the, what do you call this? The winning color. So here's another example on a green versus red button, but on ATMs. So a quick story here. The RCBC building where the call center company that I was working for then, they made an A/B testing on ATMs. So there are two ATMs side by side. This is not the actual location. It's just for you to have an idea of what the RCBC ATM look like. So there are two ATMs side by side. If you can see that green wave on the sides of the machine, the one with the being pointed at by the red arrows that I have. So that green wave on the sides of the machine, it's actually a light. It turns on at night. So the two ATMs got two different colors. The one on the left is red, the one on the right is green. And it didn't occur to me that it was a test. When I was done withdrawing money from the ATM, the facilitator asked me, "Excuse me, why did you choose to withdraw from that green machine?" And then I said, "I don't know. I just went there. But now that I thought about it, I think I went there because the green light is brighter. And for me, since it's brighter, it felt safer. So that's why colors should be considered in your social media marketing. So let me discuss this further. Yellow, it depicts optimism. It makes you feel energized, uh, enlightenment, spark creative thoughts, and happiness. So here are the brands with a yellow logo. So we have National Geographic, we have Snapchat, and we have McDonald's. And then for red, it shows or it makes you feel excited. So it shows excitement, youthful, bold. It increases heart rate, creates urgency, which explains why when there's a sale at the mall, they always use red. So here are the logos that we have for brands that have red on their logos. We have Jollibee, Coca-Cola, Lego, and YouTube. And the next is orange, which shows friendly, confidence, warmth. It sparks controversy and cheerfulness. And here are the brands with orange logos. We have Fanta, Nickelodeon, and Blogger or blogpost.com. Next is pink. Oh, sorry, it's green. So green is life, nature, fresh, harmony, wealth, growth, and health. like Tropicana, Starbucks, and Animal Planet. And then we have pink, which means romance, femininity, childhood, fun, exciting, and lighthearted. And the brands that we have here is Barbie, Baskin Robbins, and Cosmopolitan. Now, Baskin Robbins, as you can see, there's a blue there. But if you can notice the pink in the middle, the curves of the B and the what do you call that? The wall of the R, it shows 31 because in reality 31 has Baskin Robbins has 31 flavors. That is why the part of the B and the part of the R with the pink shows 31 because they offer 31 flavors. Okay, and then we also have purple for imagination, royalty, wisdom, wealth, creativity, and leadership. So we have Cadbury, Hallmark, and Yahoo. And then we also have blue for trust, dependable, strength, commitment, credibility, and dynamic, which is why we have GE, Facebook, and WordPress. And lastly, we have black for authority, powerful, high end, timeless, elegance, and mystery, which is why we have Mac, Rolls Royce, Chanel, and Adidas. So here's an example from one of my previous clients. The brand is about faster internet. So if you search fast internet, fast connection, speedy, and so on, you'll see these photos on Google. So when I pitched my proposal, I recommended a unique branding that could be used on their social media posts. So I made the border blue with an effect of lights because blue represents strength, speed, and commitment. So if you can see the border, there's it's not just blue, there's a light effect on it on the side. So most of the posters that we have for that Facebook page has that border for uniqueness, unique branding, and uniformity. So it's the subliminal message that we want fans to remember about the brand. And here's another one. It's from our very own Stepping Stone Online Club. So my branding is always on the yellow and on the black because it conveys authority in social media, and so authority is black and then yellow is optimism, energy, and happiness, because of course if you're going to work at home and you're going to share your dream of being able to spend a lifestyle like that with their family, spending more time with their family or having time to actually focus on their hobbies or passion, uh, that's optimism, energy, and happiness. So that's why I chose yellow and black.